Welcome back to the Hotep Money Channel, where we cover the latest in artificial intelligence and finance news. I'm your host, Hotep Jesus. Without further ado, let's get into today's update. Nancy Pelosi. All investors always have their eyes on what Nancy Pelosi is moving around in her stock portfolio. Let's take a look. So it looks like she exercised 50 call options on Alphabet, keeping those with a $150 strike price. She purchased those on January 14, 2025, but she did get 20 more call options with a $150 strike price with an expiration date of January 15, 2027. She got 20 call options on Amazon with a $120 strike price, expiration date 2027. Apple, she sold 45,000 shares of Apple, then bought 20 call options with a $100 strike price, expiration date of January 15th, 2027. Also acquired $25,000 shares of Alliance Bernstein, ticker AB, sold 5,000 shares of PayPal, and she exercised 50 call options on Tempest AI, Vistra, and sold 10,000 shares of Walt Disney. What does this tell us? My guess is we're going to have a great year this year in the market. That's what it seems like. The Mag 7 is about to make some moves. That's what it looks like to me. Yeah. She updated her position on Nvidia. So, yeah, we may get a little bit of correction, but looks like all odds say we're going green. Potentially. We'll have to see. Next update, Microsoft got a new chip. They're working with Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, and they've announced this launch of Maia 200, next generation AI accelerator, like I said, from Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing. And this thing's got over 10 petaflops at 4-bit precision, approximately 5 petaflops at 8-bit precision, whatever that means. So lots of computing power. They're trying to reduce their reliance on Nvidia, not directly compete, but just, reduce their reliance because, you never know who will have a chip shortage. As we know, there is tons of AI data centers going up and more compute power is needed. Next up, Nvidia. Nvidia invested an additional $2 billion into neo cloud provider CoreWeave. They're racing to build out a 5 gigawatt data center, or 5 gigawatts in an AI data centers by 2030. The financial backing will support new AI factories and the deployment of multiple generations of NVIDIA infrastructure across CoreWeave's platform. Now, according to Jensen Huang, NVIDIA CEO and founder, AI is entering its next frontier and driving the largest infrastructure build out in human history. So if you're a CoreWeave investor, if you're an NVIDIA investor, this is bullish news for you. Also, tomorrow, Trump is expected to speak about the economy. We don't have a time yet. Look out for that. He's expected to speak about the economy in Iowa. So, yeah. We also have the Consumer Confidence Index from the Conference Board numbers coming out tomorrow. And Wednesday, Jerome Powell is going to talk. So sit on your hands if you're looking to make trades. Wait to see what he says and get your hands on the buy or sell button. A lot is going to depend on what his forecast is. So it's going to be a FOMC meeting and decide if the rates are going to go up or down or stay. Many speculate that they are going to hold the interest rates. So we're not sure how the markets are going to react, but we'll have to wait and see. In the meantime, hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you back here tomorrow with another one of these fabulous updates.
I remember when you was training me, man, when it was training day, like Denzel.
Nothing can stop me, I'm all the way up.